went to get donuts, Sammy spawned a ton of Skibidi toilets for Kalis. I decided to travel to Sammy's secret lair, and what happened at the end was crazy.
People could get it, bro.
My donut's here, bro!
I need this. Wait, there's no way. See, this is why you're the best developer, Sammy. Spawn some with all mutations enabled. Bro, imagine if Steak knew we were doing this, he would get so mad. Bro, Sammy, I'm about to be the best steal a brain rot player. This is crazy. This is the best day ever.
Sammy and Kalis must be in this tunnel. Where am I? Whoa. This place is huge. Are those thrones? What is this?